I was in college working full-time and going to get my finance degree, but I was stretched way too thin. I was working second and third shift jobs to try and make ends meet, but I wasn't able to keep doing both. It got to the point where it was too hard to continue, and I had to make the hard choice to quit school. I had to find a job that would support me. So I made the hard choice to quit and came to work at Reelcraft. I've been at Reelcraft for over 20 years now. So I started my career here in assembly, work in production, and once I got pregnant with my daughter, they moved me to the office to make sure that me and my daughter would be safe and there would be no risk. When they asked me if I would be willing to join the Real EDU program, it reminded me of going to college and how much I enjoyed it and the fact that I never got to finish my degree. So I went into the program hoping that it would start me back where I had stopped. So after 20 some years of not finishing my degree, I went back to finish my bachelor's degree in finance, and Reelcraft is paying for the entire thing. My graduation date will be spring 2026. Currently, I am the staff accountant at Reelcraft, and I am excited to be able to finish my degree and actually be able to work in the profession that I wanted to as a teenager. Reelcraft has helped me support myself and my children. I am a single mom, and they've made sure that my job has the ability to work with my schedule so that I can get my kids where they need to be and still be able to keep a job. Not many companies are willing to support single parents and other families to be able to do what they need to do to make sure that their families are capable of surviving. And Reelcraft does that for each and every employee here.